furniture.
But it's what we got.
So it's we made the door out of patio tubing, angle iron again, and that's single glazing. The rollers on top are longboard skating board wheels because you can get such an awesome range of skateboard wheels. All we did,
like the idea.
yeah, and all we did was upgrade the bearings so we could get a bigger what do you call it? We're going to call it a bolt. It is a bolt through the bearings. We've over-engineered everything to make sure that it's
was from the wood that we used to do the either end of the build to fit out what we call is the bridge.
Yeah.
So this is known as the bridge.
Yeah, it's the bridge. Axles. Axles, that's what I was trying to get at. Axles. We made bigger axles.
And then outside, so either end we've sealed.
Yeah.
So outside we sealed.
And we sealed this with outdoor sealer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
that came out pretty good.
Put our stainless grates in.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Like we've got a fair bit to go. We've still got, you know, bits and pieces like doors.
Yeah.
But we're a little bit more encouraged.
Above the bathroom.
Oh yes, above the bathroom we've got something really exciting to go up there. So hopefully that will just save this dragon fly.
Yeah. So we can't put board up above the bathroom wet area, obviously because it's going to be steamy. But that's another job. So it's going to be doors, that ceiling bit, and
of course we got to get this planter pumping. So that's another job.
Yeah, that's another stage.
We've got to get this full of veg.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Veg it up.
This is it. So we're on the homeward stretch. Is that the right word? Homeward.
Well, we're trying to get into our home.
We're trying to get in it.
Yeah. So next couple of months, hopefully, we'll be in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, or somewhere close.
Thank you, and keep watching. And we love your comments. Sorry, we can't reply to them, but we're loving them. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
And hopefully, you come and visit one day.
Cheerio.
Bye.